This video will take you through how to use the University of Newcastle Student Program Planner to plan your program and courses before you enrol. In the planner, you'll be able to see your entire program journey and have visibility over what you need to complete to graduate. We recommend you use a desktop or laptop when planning your program. Log into Program Planner by selecting the icon on the My Uni desktop browser or via the My Uni app. It is important to view your progress before planning the rest of your program. To do this, click on Track Progress tab on the left-hand side menu, or in Quick Access, go to Track and see Progress. Within this tab, you can view your program audit, which lists all the courses you are required to complete throughout the duration of your study. You will be able to explore the core, compulsory, directed, elective, major, or specialization courses that you need to complete. Please note that not all programs include these types of courses. The system will let you know what categories your program has and how many courses from each category you will need to select. When you are viewing the courses, you might see these icons. Green check marks mean the course has been successfully completed, yellow check marks mean the course has been included in your current plan, and red boxes mean a required course has yet to be planned or taken. To plan your program path, click on the Plan or Plan Your Path on the left-hand side menu. From here, you can plan the courses that you want to take in the next study period. You can look here to see your major or specialization, if your program includes one of these, and the proposed pathway that we have selected for you. As you scroll through, you will see the courses that we recommend you take in each study period. Click the course to view information relevant to the course, including the campus location, how many units it's worth, and any prerequisites you must undertake. It will also show you what the course counts towards in your program. At the top of your study period, you can see how many units are suggested you take in each study period. If you choose to study part-time, you can plan to undertake less courses. Drag and drop the courses you selected in the Progress tab into the study period you are planning. Don't worry, if you select courses that have prerequisites, the system will alert you if something is out of order. If you move a course into a study period where it was not going to be offered, above the course it will say that the course is not likely to be offered in this period. You will also receive a notification if you have overloaded your study period with too many units. If you decide you do not want to or are unable to complete the recommended units in a study period, you can remove courses from your plan and it will send it back over into the tentative list on the right. The tentative list contains courses you are required to take as part of your program that you have not included in your plan. You have just finished planning your program. Now you will need to enroll in the courses you have planned. When enrollments are open for the next study period, head to My Enrollments in My Uni or Course Enrollment in My Hub to complete your enrollment process.